Holy fuck. Oh. You guys, I have so much shit. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're here with the May beauty haul and unboxing. As you know, quarantine is technically still a thing, even though it might be not so much a thing by the time this goes up. We've been in quarantine for a while, and there were a couple months where I was very minimal with like some of my purchases, and then I started running out of shit. And then there were sales, and then other impulse buys. It's fine. I want to start off with an Ipsy flash sale. For those of you that don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service. So for 25 bucks a month, I get Glam Bag Plus, and I get 5 full-size products with the option of add-on. However, there are random flash sales where you can get full-size or sample products at a very, discounted rate. So there was a flash sale. There's some stuff that I wanted, not only for myself, but for my dearest Jennifer. Jennifer lives near New York City, and she's got to totally replenish her stock of products, things that she's worked through over this quarantine, but also just starting fresh, because it's important to have new products. It's important to have new products. I mean, she has been quarantined. Nothing really should be, contaminated, because she hasn't gone anywhere. But I know that she wants to have some new stuff. So I have been on, the ball trying to find different things. So some of my shit will go to her. I have a little stash set aside. So I don't know why I talk and open things. It's a really bad habit. I'm really sorry. At least I'm admitting that I have a problem, okay? So I have the what? Oh my god, I don't know how to say that. JJ Young Pore Glow Mask, Brighten and Glow. Anyway, so this will be passed on. We all need to glow, you know what I'm saying? Open it first. Stupid. I am gonna pull one of these out for myself, and the other one's going to Jennifer. Nice and sealed package. Goodbye. But this is a 24K Gold Glow Sheet Mask Lift, Firm Glow, and Detox Pure Luxury 24K Gold Collection.
The single-use treatment mask is adhere to the shape of the face, infusing the skin with a powerful solution of peptides, pure 24 gold, and hyaluronic acid to help visibly reduce the appearance of most stubborn wrinkles and expression lines.
So much yes with this. Coconut water creams, yay! One of my favorites, and this will be going to Jennifer as well. It's a nice little sample. I think I finished one of these recently, but by First Aid Beauty. This is going to Jennifer too. I've used this a bunch of times. What I will be trying is the Yvette Water Flash Coconut Water Cream. So this is something that I will be trying, and I'm really excited. I got a new Booty Blender. Ha 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 ha. This is Sonia Kashuk. You can find these at Target, and honestly, it's fair pricing. Okay. I have yet to use one that is this shape, so I'm definitely excited to try that out. I think this will work really good for baking. One of my favorite things ever! The Tree Hut Cocoa Colada Shea Sugar Scrub. I have had this scent before. It's delicious. I had a choice of that one or that lemon tart, blueberry tart something, and I remember using that and then wanting to eat myself, and that's just not cool, bro. I actually got some nail polish remover because this bitch has actually been doing her nails. That's a thing. I think this might be different packaging. I think I have used this before, but it's the EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream for sensitive skin. I've mentioned my bumpiness before. I'll mention it again. If you have a similar issue and you know of something that works for that and just being super sensitive, comment down below, let me know. It's definitely crazy, and wow, between the sunlight and my fucking light, oh my god, I'm just washed out. I want to make a special shout out to Jessica, because I bought some things from her, but then she put some goodies in there that I didn't ask for in a little bag, and I'll be honest with you, I knew there was nail polishes in there, but I didn't actually look closely, so I'm doing it again, so I'm seeing it for the first time. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, especially the light coming in on that one. Girl, oh my god, this nail polish though. I love the Zoya formula. It's fucking solid. So there's that. I guess I should tell you what it is. Pig alert! Yay! Okay. Ooh, this one is nice. This is Danica. So a stripper. Ooh, I don't have a color like this. I haven't done anything like that. This one is Quinn. Wow. And then Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer and moisturizer. Oh, and it's in like a little pump. Interesting. I like Smashbox, so this will be in a first impressions get ready with me. I have more deodorant, bitches. Oh, she big. Oh my god. Oh, something. OGX Beauty, is that what that is? Anyway, nourishing coconut milk shampoo and conditioner. These are at Sam's Club. These are super big. There was a good deal on this one. Speaking of Sam's Club, so I needed makeup wipes, and I know this if you've been watching my channel for a while, every single Empties, well not every single Empties, but every single whatever, like you can check everything, like I am so all about the Equate makeup wipes. Well, I have a new brand and I have a lot of them. Oh my god. Go big or go home. We are diving into this and I am nervous excited because of change. I really hope this works out because I'm super excited about this. So check this out. So Members Mark, it's the Sam's Club like brand or whatever, makeup remover, cleansing towelettes. So there's actually smaller packages that have like 7. There's also a few in there that have 20. So if I, let's be optimistic here. Going on a trip, I can just take these. I don't have to freaking buy the goddamn Neutrogena singles or whatever. Or a smaller. Like, I already have them. Oh, and random thing, I am totally giving Jennifer one of these, so. Oh god, and Jen, if you're watching this, spoiler, but there's still a secret surprise. I'm not telling you or anybody else, except for like Tim already knows what you're getting. But I have a different surprise that you're gonna be so obsessed with, so yeah. Have some Skintimate moisturizing shave gel, bitches. Hello. Let's get the last large thing out of the way and then I'll feel better. The thing that we all know that I can't say. The Tresemme. If you've watched enough of these, you know I fuck up every time I try to say luxurious moisture. So I gotta say it all weird because I still can't say it. Oh, she empty as a motherfucker. It's gonna take me an hour to clean all this shit up. I mean, like with my whole setup and everything, and I'm just like, oh my god. Okay, I'm getting really distracted. Wow. Why I purchased like 3 concealers, 3 different concealers. These will all be featured in a Get Ready With Me video. Well, videos. So I have the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Sorry, I was like, oh, it says more than concealer. Oh, and that's like, why the fuck is that blurry? I can't even read that. And I have my glasses on. I should be able to read, right? Anyway, I really like the foundation, so I wanted to give the concealer a fair shot. Then the fuck is this? What brand is this? Oh, it's at the top. I couldn't. Whoa. Oh my god. Am I washed out much? Like, hello? Did that even do anything? I don't even know if it did. If I sit back here, is that better? Okay. Like, y'all can answer me. Oh my god. Rimmel London. Sorry, wow. Lasting finish. 25 hour. Really? There's a gas station somewhere. Hang on. Bath, New York. Not sure if the sign is still on this freaking gas station. It's like, it's down by like where like most of the gas stations are and like Tops and stuff. But it said open 25 hours. And it's like, bitch, you're not funny. And neither are you. Like, be realistic. It says 25-hour breathable, lightweight medium coverage. Really curious about that one. And then the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. That's what I should do, is get like a liquid contour kind of and actually try that. That could be a really fun mistake. Ugh, come out. Come out wherever you are. I have so much shit to clean up. Throws things. I have a new mascara that I won't be opening for a while. This will not be in a... I mean, if it's in a Get Ready With Me video, it's not intentional because I have used this quite a bit. The Rimmel London Volume Flash Scandalize Mascara. I wanted something that I knew. And I actually have some summertime, like, bar soap. I don't wash my ass crack with this. Sometimes I wash my hands with it. Most of the time I use just liquid hand soap. I really like to use the bars of soap to wash my beauty sponges. So that's that. I got cut off. I got cut off on my fucking outro, bitches. Between my camera dying and then like just recording a freaking beauty haul that's like way too long and I should have done it in a couple segments. Jesus Christ. Another bump in the road. Instead of, what am I even, that's not even a song. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
We are clearly done here. I haven't even been drinking for this one, guys. Like, I'm being behave for now. I mean, it's my birthday tomorrow. The next week is my oyster. I'm washed out, bitch. Okay. So that is all for my May beauty haul and unboxing. Holy shit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.